How to mention a channel in YouTube comments. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can mention a channel in your YouTube video. So please make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, you will have to open the YouTube app, and then you will have to open any of the video from there. You will have to open the comment section, and after that you can use the symbol. You will have to use the symbol, which is this symbol. You can use this symbol followed by the channel name or handle, and this feature is available on the channel pages, in shorts and in comments. So after using this symbol, you will have to tap the channel name. So let me select any of the channel name. You can mention as many channels as you like, long as their names fit within the character limit. So to tag someone on the YouTube, you can also mention them in your video title or descriptions by tapping this sign. So there will be drop down list with the suggestion of the user's name for you to select. However, both your channels and the channel that you want to mention must have more than 1000 subscribers, and you can only use someone from the YouTube studio on your desktop. So this is how you can easily mention someone on your YouTube channel. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.